Hello, Greg McIntyre Elder Law, and I'm here with an alert. I'm here with an update. I just did a live Q&A about powers of attorney yesterday, and today received an alert and wanted to pass that along that Chapter 32A, North Carolina Chapter 32A powers of attorney are no longer valid. So North Carolina no longer has a statute for 32A. That has been canceled, if you will. And now Section 32C presides over North Carolina powers of attorneys. Now, this won't affect healthcare powers of attorneys. And I just received this email in today. I'll show it to you. So I just received this email in today, a risk management alert for myself and for attorneys. And I'm going to pass that along to you. I just want to let you know about the changes and any changes and how they might affect you. If you have a power of attorney, that's going to be grandfathered in, okay? As long as that power of attorney was signed before December 31st, 2017 or before, okay? As long as those were done, then, under 32A, you're fine. This only starts on January 1st, 2018 forward, okay? And to everyone who is on my e-newsletter list, that's at mcelderlaw.com, and you signed up, put your email in and your name for our e-newsletter list, you will receive a written update on this, okay? I'm going to forward you a written update shortly. I'll forward you the video that I'm doing right now, and I'll also forward you a written update. I'll just do a snapshot of this email that I received today, straight from Lawyers Mutual, and I will send that out to you so that you can read that. If you have any questions about the change in the power of attorney laws in North Carolina, call me, 704-259-7040, or you can send me a message on Facebook Messenger or otherwise contact me. Email me, greg@mcelderlaw.com, or go to the website and contact me. There's a million ways you can get at me. Tweet me, whatever you want to do, okay? So effective January 1st, 2018, Chapter 32A powers of attorney statutes are no longer valid. Effective January 1, 2018, the power of attorney statutes contained in Chapter 32A are no longer valid for new powers of attorney signed on or after that date. All powers of attorney that are drafted or executed on or after January 1st must be done in accordance with the new North Carolina General Statute, Chapter 32C. Current forms should not be used, and care should be taken when accepting an executed power of attorney after January 1st to be certain it is in compliance with the new law. So any bankers out there, anybody in the financial industry, anybody who's taking a power of attorney to do business on behalf of someone else, you need to be really aware of this, that unless it comports and complies with Chapter 32C, if it was signed on or after January 1st, 2018, it's no good if it doesn't have, if it doesn't comport with the statutes of Chapter 32C, okay? Chapter 32C is based on the Uniform Power of Attorney Act and sets forth a number of changes, including a new short form power of attorney, a new limited power of attorney for real estate transactions, automatic durability of powers of attorney under the new form. That's awesome that they're automatically durable under the new form. And that means it survives incompetency or incapacity. And the ability to appoint a guardian in the power of attorney document should the principal become incompetent in the future. So you can appoint a guardian in the power of attorney if the person you appoint as the person to act as an attorney in fact for you is unable to do it because they pass away or they become incompetent or incapacitated, then you can actually appoint a guardian within this document. I mean, that's very powerful. I'll get back to you as to how, as we go along through the year, as to how the courts are going to be okay with a power of attorney designating a guardian and how that can be challenged or what if that's not the right person. I don't know. I have a lot of gears grinding inside of me because of things that I've done with guardianships and how that might work, okay? And I'll get back to you once I think that through. Healthcare powers of attorney are not directly affected by this change, so I wonder how they're indirectly affected. and any power of attorney executed on or prior to December 31st, 2017 using Chapter 32A will remain valid so long as it complied with 32A when executed on or before December 31st. So as long as it doesn't conflict with Chapter 32C, then your 32A attorneys, powers of attorney that were drafted prior to January 1st of this year are going to still be good and valid. I can tell you the ones we draft are non-statutory powers of attorney, and they're not a slave to the statute, if you will. They operate independent of that statute and would still be good and valid even though there's the law change. Okay. Please take a few minutes to read the new Chapter 32C. I'm going to link that in the text that I'm sending out in the newsletter. Okay, I'm going to link that Chapter 32C right in that text so you can read that there. And Session Law 2017-153, and exercise extra caution. Now, this is for anybody, a banker, a financial planner, Scott Sharp, Jamie Richard out there, Stephen Jones, anybody, taking any of your Edward Jones reps, any financial planners, Brian Wheeler. Exercise caution in the coming weeks and months to ensure, one, the proper form is used based on the execution date for new powers of attorneys. Two, a power of attorney, now that would be for a short form statutory power of attorney, that the proper 32C form is used, not the 32A form. Two, that a power of attorney presented as authority for a transaction complies with the statute as it existed when the document was executed. And three, any current clients to whom you have provided a power of attorney form are aware that if it is executed after December 31st, a new form it needs to be utilized. That would be for myself or any other attorneys out there. You've got to use the new form, or a power of attorney that complies or is good under the new 32C. For more detailed information on this change, please see the article by Janice Davies. Okay, I'm going to include a link to that article as well. Okay, so I'm going to send you this Lawyers Mutual essentially text and email, and include a link to the statute and an article by Janice Davies that's going to explain the new Section 32C. So I hope that's been good information. That's a great follow-up off of yesterday's Power of Attorney question and answer. I do a live question and answer every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Every Tuesday at 1 p.m. Ask the Elder Law Guy. We'll do live Tuesday Q&A. And you can feel free to ask me questions in the comments. You can always do that in any of our posts or videos. Ask me questions in the comments, and let me know if you want me to private message you back or answer that publicly. We don't want to discuss personal information in front of others. So or give me a call, 704-259-7040, and we'll get your questions answered. So have a great evening. I'm going to wrap it up, and I'm going to go home and eat dinner about 6. Peace.